Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Roblox Game Development. Today we're going to continue working with our guns. In fact, we're going to make them actually shoot at least burst mode today. So let's go up to the starter pack, light, firing, yes, actually firing this time. Alright, so in here we've got tool.activated, and up here we've got fire, right? Alright, well in fire, we're going to want to check what kind of fire it is. So we're going to actually rename fire to semi-fire, alright, for semi-automatic fire. And we're going to make another function burst fire D and function auto fire D end. Alright, and we're going to make another connection down here. Alright, so we've got semi-fire, burst fire, auto fire, right? Alright. Now this won't be the best automatic fire ever, necessarily. In fact, it probably won't be amazing. Actually, hold on. We'll work on that tomorrow. But I think I know a way we can make it actually really awesome. Alright, but for today, we're also going to make tool.deactivated. Wow, I spelled that wrong. Activated. There we go. Connect function end. And then just, well, we'll make a boolean up here, alright? Local auto fire equals false. Alright, so down here we'll make it auto fire equals false, and that's all we need. Now back up here. Alright, so we've already determined at this point at if char.humanoid.health is greater than 0. We've determined at this point that it's time to shoot people, right? Okay, so how are we going to shoot them? That's the question I've got in my mind. What is next? Well, we got to check how we're going to shoot them, meaning semi-auto, burst mode, or are we going to do automatic? In order to do this, we're going to make a new value, okay, or sorry, variable. And it's going to be mode, and that's going to equal tool.parent.gunmode.value. Alright, so if mode, let's see, what is mode again? Mode is an int value, right? Okay, so, and actually, hold on, we're going to change this icon back to this rather than my channel logo because it was getting too big and too annoying. Anyway, gunmode.name equals gunmode, gunmode.parent equals player.character, gunmode.value equals 1. Is that it? So 2 is going to be, oh, that's right, I remember it now. 2 is burst, 3 is, okay. If mode equals 1, then, alright, so if mode equals 1, do this. This is our default firing. Semi-automatic firing. And change this to semi-fire. Alright, so now, if we go back to place 1 and we press F6 really quick, we're just going to test to make sure that it still works the same as it used to. Alright. It's loading. It's loading. I promise you guys, it's loading. That's what that little circle means. There we go. I don't know how I feel about this new cursor with Roblox. I don't know yet. But oh well. Pull out our light. Alright, we've got semi-auto, burst, and automatic. We won't touch those just yet. But let's shoot. Shoot. Alright, you guys see it's working the same, but if we change to burst, it's not doing anything. If we change to automatic, it's not doing anything. If we change back to semi-auto, it's back to how it should be. Because what we're doing right now is only if the mode equals 1. There we go. Firing. Alright. And else if mode equals 2, then burst firing. Alright, so here we're not going to change the reloading value just yet. Alright, actually, yeah, we will. We'll change reloading value to true here, just like normal. Yeah, for auto we can't really do that. And then hum, basically all the same stuff here, except instead of semi-fire, it's burst fire. And we'll do the exact same thing, except let's increase this wait time to a full second when they're using burst mode. Okay? So now reloading that value equals false. Okay, so now this should, it's still not gonna work, but we're gonna print hello world. And why did I press Control S? There we go. Alright. So press we won't press F6 yet. Alright, so up here, oh, nope, don't want the local script. We want firing. Alright, so in this semi-fire, there's 3 things here, right? Well, we're actually going to cut all of this, alright, and make another function, and this function will be fire bullet D. Okay? And this is going to be our old script. But down here now, we're just going to do fire bullet, I think it was a capital B, D, right? Nope, it wasn't in capital B. Fire bullet, just like that. You can name it whatever you want, but that's why I'm naming it. And down here, we're going to do, for I equals 1, 3 do. Alright. Fire bullet D wait 0.05 probably, maybe a half, no, 0.1 for now. We might change that later. Alright, so 3 times now, because we put this in a for I equals 1 3 loop. It's going to loop 3 times doing this, and it's going to fire a bullet at the direction that's already been given. Then it's going to wait 1/10 of a second, do it again, and then repeat that one more time, and then it's going to reload for a second, and then it's done reloading, and you can fire again. So we're going to press F6. I think it's loading, because I can't move. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's loading now. It's just laggy. Yep, there we go. It never showed us the splash screen though. There it is. Finally. Alright. And boom. Alright. So here I am. Pull out my light. Semi-auto is the default and it still fires just like it used to. Automatic will still not fire anything. Burst will fire 3 bullets in quick succession. I wonder... Yeah, there we go. It's firing 3 bullets in quick succession. And I got a comment yesterday about somebody who their gun didn't work correctly, I guess. Their bullets weren't disappearing. Alright? So here's what I'll tell you guys. If you get an error like your bullets aren't disappearing or something, it's because your computer is most likely not being able to compute everything at the right speed for Roblox's engine. So that's why we're going to fix that error for you guys right now. I know today's going to be a long tutorial because of this. Today's Saturday, right? yeah. I'm going to have 2 tutorials today to make up for Thursday and Friday when I didn't have a video. I apologize. I was super busy those days. But today I'm going to put out 2 videos for you guys, okay? Both are going to be fairly long. Today's, we're going to finish, we already finished the burst mode, and now we're going to fix this a little bit, alright? So we're going to cut that. We're going to go into firing, and insert a script into firing, okay? And we're going to just paste here for a second. Hold on. Bullet equals script.parent. Let's press shift tab to move this over. Alright. Char equals hit.parent. Yeah, we don't need their actual character for this, right? Okay. We should be good. Right. Yes, okay, we're good. We're gonna rename that script. Down at the properties, we're going to rename the script that's within firing. We're going to name it remove bullet. Alright? Now back in firing, we're going to make s equal script dot remove bullet clone s dot parent equals bullet s dot disabled equals false. And that reminds me, go to remove bullet, go down and disable it, or else it's going to fire an error right away, and we don't want that, so make sure it's disabled. Alright, now back over here, we just set the disabling off and then move it into the bullet. Alright? But the main thing is we also are going to add a wait loop, or a wait here, okay? So wait, and if it takes 10 seconds before it touches anything, or it doesn't fire the touched event, then we're just gonna remove the bullet right there and then. Alright? Just remove the bullet then. And that's it. Okay? So now we're gonna press F6 one last time. I hope I've helped you. I forgot your YouTube username, sorry. And I'm pretty sure that it was one of the people that comment a lot. That shows how busy I've been the past 2 days, doesn't it? Alright, pull out our light. Go to burst just right now. Alright. Let's see if it still works. Yep, it's working even better than before now. So now it's hitting something and it is disappearing right away. And I am sorry, my phone is buzzing. So that's it. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget that the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later today.